All right, so today we got a small block Chevy cam roller, solid roller deal that was sent in for repair, and they hurt the fuel pump lobe. So the customer, whoever, they used a standard fuel pump rod instead of a bronze tipped or a roller fuel pump rod. So it tore up the fuel pump lobe, and I'm gonna spin you around here and show you. But I'm gonna touch it up. I'm gonna regrind that lobe, and I figured it'd be a good little video to do. So let me swing you around, and then we're gonna fix this thing right quick. There we go. Maybe that'll work. Address the stone right quick. I think you can see, yeah, you can see all them ripples in it. It's I mean, it didn't tear it up horribly, but it's definitely got ripples all in it where those two metals didn't like one another. But it shouldn't take much to clean it up. So far, that's only about 10 thousandths, so there's enough preload in the fuel pump that you could do this 2 or 3 times before it was any kind of issue. We're almost there. And there it is. So if you got one hurt, send it in, we can fix it for you. All right, that was another one. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.